A tragic industrial accident has claimed multiple lives at a power plant operated by Vedanta Limited in Chhattisgarh. At least 11 workers were killed and 21 others injured following a boiler explosion at the company's plant in Sakti district. The incident occurred in Singhitarai village during the afternoon, according to police reports. Praful Thakur, Superintendent of Police of Sakti district, initially confirmed that 9 workers had died and 15 others were injured. 3 victims died on the spot, while several others later passed away due to their injuries at hospital in neighboring Raigarh district. The injured are currently receiving treatment. Officials later confirmed that the death toll had risen to 11. Local authorities and rescue teams rushed to the spot immediately after the explosion. Workers were evacuated from the extremely hot area surrounding the boiler, and rescue operations are still underway to determine whether more individuals remain trapped inside the facility. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Deo Sai described the incident as extremely tragic and assured full support to the families of the victims. The Chief Minister also announced that a probe would be conducted and strict action would be taken against those found responsible. He made the statement while in Raipur. Meanwhile, the plant management of Vedanta Limited confirmed that the explosion occurred at one of the boiler units involving personnel from their subcontractor NGSL. The company added that its immediate priority is to provide medical assistance to the injured and coordinate closely with local authorities. Rescue operations are continuing at the site, and officials say further details are awaited as the investigation into the cause of the explosion remains underway. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families during this difficult time.